China is going to become the world's largest economy this decade, with the potential for this to rapidly be accelerated from this year onwards, whether you like the Chinese government or not, or Marxism. Why would you not invest in Chinese AI just because you don't like Marxism or authoritarianism? It doesn't make sense. If you're a Western investor who invests in the Magnificent Seven, Amazon, Apple, you're investing in AI. You're investing in being surveyed by AI technology. Alexa, Siri, your conversations, your voice is being listened to by these products, and you don't have a problem with it. So what is the difference? During COVID, you voluntarily gave up your freedoms, all your human rights, over the fear, irrational fear of a mild virus. And why? Because a Western government told you to. What were they doing? Copying the Chinese Marxist government. What is the difference? Now, this is the new Cold War. This is the Chinese Cold War. Now, let's not sugarcoat this. America and China are fighting for leadership of the world, just like the Soviet Union did with America. But the difference in this war, this Cold War, is that China is masquerading a Western Marxist ideology from capitalism's inside. It is scared of waging hot wars, and it has a population the size of India across the land size of America, with the innovative ability of the Japanese. And China is not at 10% of the US's GDP like the Soviet Union was at its very peak in the Cold War, but is already 75 to 80% the size of the American economy, with a forecast by 2050 to be $15 trillion larger than US GDP, which is bigger than any lead the US has ever enjoyed in its history, including after the Soviet Union fell and the unipolar world was established until China came along. The United States is also up against the leader of the ancient world. It is quite literally in Chinese and ancient history's DNA for China to lead the world. It led the majority of ancient history with the highest level of GDP. It is the ancient ancestor of capitalism. It pioneered countless inventions as far back as 8000 BCE, such as the compass, paper, silk, gunpowder. So it is natural for China to innovate the future, create entrepreneurial innovations, and lead the world.